Dootsie Williams, Quintanilla Jr, Quintanilla Jr, the Andantes, the Steinettes, Little Axe, Lost Zafiros, Baby Jane and the Rockabyes, Labelle, the Mighty Echoes, the Overtones, Darks, the Heartaches, the Valentinos, the Ravens, the Mad Lads, the Chords, Johnnie Carter, Johnny Otis, the Five Sharps, the Hollywood Flames, the Earth Angels, Randy and the Rainbows, the Delltones, the Orioles, the Parliaments, the Clovers, or the Clovers 395 of 1728, the best rock bands of all time, 6 of 18, the best beach music bands/artists. Billy Ward and the Dominoes, the Crew Cuts, Curtis Lee, Johnnie Taylor, or Johnnie Taylor 78 of 101, the best musical artists from Arkansas, 67 of 151, the best soul singers/groups of all time, 14 of 127 celebrities born on Cinco de Mayo. The Cadillacs, Chicago Doo-Wop, hip, jazzy instrumental support from top Chicago studio guys. Richard Berry, Coasters, More the Coasters 1014 of 1891, the greatest musical artists of all time, 166 of 265, ranked the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees, 216 of 461, the best current pop groups/singers. Sha Na Na, the Dells, the Edsels, Harvey Fuqua, the Marvelettes, More the Marvelettes 33 of 100, the greatest Motown artists of all time, 24 of 219, the top pop artists of the 1960s. Crows. The Del-Vikings. Rosie and the Originals. The Orioles. Frankie Valli. More Frankie Valli 68 of 363 musicians who belong in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, 158 of 316 the greatest singers of the past 30 years, 54 of 195 the greatest male pop singers of all time. Little Anthony and the Imperials. The Moon Glows. The Clovers. The Platters. Queens NY Doo-Wop. Johnny Maestro at the Brooklyn Bridge. The Five Satins. Frankie Lymon. More Frankie Lymon 157 of 739. The best singers of all time 196 of 525. Which artist would you bring back from the dead to write one more song? 138 of 193 rock stars whose deaths were the most untimely. The Temptations. The Temptations. The Flamingos. Or the Flamingos 28 of 61 the best bands named after birds 52 of 105 the best musical artists from Illinois. The Drifters. The Del-Vikings. Pittsburgh Doo-Wop. The Penguins. The Four Seasons. The Four Seasons. Frankie Lymon and the Teenagers. Andantes. Andantes. The Shires. Platters. Or the Platters 208 of 263. The greatest classic rock bands 40 of 109. The best soft rock bands of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.